Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to uninstall the KB5074109 update on Windows 11. So if this update is causing problems like system errors, crashes, or slow performance, just follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now open Settings. Once you're inside Settings, click on Windows Update from the menu on the left. Next, select Update History to see all recently installed updates. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on Uninstall Updates. A new window will open showing a list of installed Windows updates. Here, look for KB5074109 in the list. Once you find it, click on Uninstall. You'll be asked to confirm. Simply click Uninstall again. Windows will now start removing the update and all related system files. Just wait for the process to complete. When it's finished, restart your PC to apply the changes and fully complete the uninstall process. And that's it. You've successfully removed the KB5074109 update from your Windows 11 computer. Now your system should run smoothly again. If this quick guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows tutorials and fixes.